Hello, this is me, Gizbro. We are tuning in the train station. Super gangsters. Super gangsters. We about to go to Fordham. About to go to Honda Turkey. Honda Turkey. That's the smoke. That's the smoke.
Third turkey, that's the way you're
Third turkey, bro. Going super in. You don't even want to type her away message on this phone. But this phone is still the move. Right?
Yeah, dude.
Waiting for the train. The train should be here in like
4 minutes. Can't see that shit in 4 minutes.
4 minutes. So we will let you know the update. Alright? Goodbye. Say goodbye.
Do you see?